So if you've got one of these Mercedes W123 chassis, one of the things you want to do is keep an eye on these pockets over here, and because if these fill up and plug up, you'll end up with water in the floor. And so what I do is every time I do an oil change, which I just did an oil change, I'll take my air blower and I'll blow this stuff out. I'll grab out what I can with my hands and then blow the rest of the stuff out. And so that's what I'm about to do. Also grab everything around here. You know, we've got a mixture of stuff left over from fall. It's been, you know, a couple months since I did my last oil change, so we've got some of winterish in here and some of spring now. I just drove this thing yesterday and it's already got all this stuff on it. So we're gonna get this stuff cleared out, and that way we don't end up with water on the floor. So I'm gonna set y'all up on the tripod, and I may put some music over this because I don't think y'all want to hear the air blower, or I'll mute the sound a little bit.